Hi, hope you are well. Now I'm gonna show you how to get it bigger or how to make it bigger and how do I drag this mouse. Okay, I'm just logged on figma.com and here's my account. So I'm gonna show you when you click hold the control and hold your mouse and it will be bigger. Okay, just selected some text. Suppose this text is selected and all text are selectable, and you can see the right side of here is the text and here is the font family. This is called, when you change this family it will be change the type of the text. Okay, I think robot is good, and here is the type of font. You can do it thin, light, regular, medium, bold. That means thin means it's low visible, or it will be, you can see this difference. When you click on here regular, it will be show you normal, and when you click on bold it will be goes to more visible or bold. Okay, I think you understand. And now I want to show you how to do it bigger. Here is the size of font. You can do it bigger, just up the arrow icon and you can see the bigger, more bigger. You can do it in your choice. Okay, I think 24 is good now. And here is the line height. You can increase. Actually all things I did the bootstrap grid system and all are similar, so it will be better to put here 36. And you can see when you click on here final version, here is the layout grid and here is the grid system. All things I put it here grid system, and this one out of grid system because this one called the hero section and it will be not dependent on this grid. Okay, you see here is the images that fill on the full background. Okay, and for this will not maintain the grid system. I just put up the grid system and you can see. Also another thing, all things are editable. Just mouse over any text or any image and you can select this enter image or text. Okay, now I want to show you one of the major thing that it will be help you to edit in future. Okay, suppose these three testimonial I don't need, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, I just delete this one, and here is the put it here extra spacing, that's not good. Just select this whole text and up this one, just up this one, and you can see. And the end of the PDF, here is the extra space that you need to remove. Just click on the main version or final version and then select here move, not scale, just move, and then just move this one and extra space will be removed from here. Okay, I just put it the same. I just show you how to do it. And after end of the task, just select this final version and here is the option to export as final PDF. Okay, final version mean this name, export mean this text, images and all things go to conversion on PDF, HPG, JPG, PNG. I just do it PDF and export. Export, I just did it here, download, and I will put here same things. Okay, I just replace this one. Okay, goes to be PDF here. When I open this PDF, you can see all things are editable, like this Word file, and you can edit anything else. I think this video will be help you to edit your PDF yourself. Okay, I think you understand. If you have any problem to understanding anywhere, then you can tell me. I'll be back to you as soon as I can. I think this thing are good now. Thank you. Also, this order goes to automatically completed. If you are fully satisfied on my services, then you can rate my rate on this order going to order page, and that will be helpful for me to show my services quality in future client. Thank you.